sake will endure before me. From one new moon to another, and from one Sabbath to another, all mankind will come and bow down before me, says the Lord. So the Sabbath, the memorial of God's creative and redemptive work, is a part of His design for the future of the human race. From the earth, as it came from the Creator's hand, to the perfectly restored new earth, the Sabbath stands as a sanctuary in time, transcending history, and projecting its promise of rest into the eternal future.
We'll meet at the same time again next week, friends, and same station, 6 o'clock Central Time, WWCR 9.350 megahertz, as we continue our series of studies on the seventh-day Sabbath. I'll be happy to send you a free CD or DVD of tonight's program. The easiest way to contact your firm foundation is calling our free 800 line. That number is 1-800-889-8082. Again, 1-800-889-8082. You may also text that number. Or you may write us at P.O. Box 16, Chilhowie, Virginia. That's Chilhowie, Chilhowie, Virginia 24319. If you're living outside of North America, you may send your email address to our Gmail account, yourfirmfoundation@gmail.com. God bless you, friends, until this same time next week. May God continue to bless you and me in our search for truth.
WWCR Worldwide Christian Radio ceases operations on this frequency. We invite you to tune your shortwave receivers to 5.935 megahertz. That's 5.935. 5.935 megahertz. We will begin